Pros and cons of sliding windows. Dear friends, there are several things to consider when picking windows, whether for new construction or replacement units. The first thing to think about is operating style, each with its own unique features. One of the most popular styles is a slider window. Watch on to learn more about it, as well as its pros and cons. Pros of sliding windows. Easy to operate. Opening and closing a sliding window is very simple, making it easy to open your home to ventilation and enjoy nice weather and fresh air. Low maintenance. Sliding windows are often built with fewer parts than other conventional window styles, making them low maintenance. Durability. Sliding windows do not use pulleys or springs, which can wear over time and affect the operation of the window. Unobstructed views. Sliding windows provide plenty of natural light and expansive views of your surroundings. Better ventilation and lighting. This window type is an excellent choice for homes that need additional light and airflow. High durability. Springs and pulleys suffer from wear and tear over a long period. Fortunately, slider windows don't depend on these specific parts to open. Instead, most windows of this type utilize glazing that increases their durability. Cons of sliding windows. Cleaning. You must remove the sashes to clean the outside, unlike other window styles that tilt in for easy cleaning. Half opening. Not all sashes on a sliding window can be opened, unlike double hung or casement windows. Water in sill. Water can sometimes pool in the sill of a sliding window, which can lead to future problems. Be sure to purchase sliding windows that have proper drainage holes to prevent this problem. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.